What if I told you that the biggest factor in building wealth isn't how much you earn, but when you start? Let me ask you this. Would you rather take $1 million right now, or a single penny, that doubles every day for 30 days? At first glance, the million feels obvious, instant, solid, safe. But what if you took the penny? Day 1, just 1 cent. Day 5, still only 16 cents. Day 10, you've barely passed $5. But wait until day 20. Now you're at $5,000. And on day 30, you've got over $5 million. That's compound interest, not magic, but math. And today, I'm going to tell you 3 powerful stories that prove this quiet force is the most underestimated wealth builder on earth. Let's start with 2 young people, Sarah and James. Sarah is 19. She doesn't make much money, but she's smart with what she has. Every year from age 19 to 25, she invests $3,000 into a simple index fund, and then she stops. Just 7 years of saving. That's it. Now meet James. He's 35. He starts saving $3,000 per year and keeps doing it all the way until he turns 65, 30 years in a row. So who ends up with more money by retirement? Sarah does. Even though James invested 4 times more money, Sarah gave time a head start, and time is the most powerful partner you'll ever have when it comes to wealth. By the time they both hit 65, Sarah's account has grown to over $470,000. James? He ends up with $367,000. Not because she worked harder, not because she picked riskier stocks, but because she gave compound growth time to do its thing. Here's another example. This time, real people like you and me. Dave was 50 when he realized he hadn't saved much. No fancy job, no inheritance, just a decision. I'm going to start today. He opened an online account and began putting away $200 a month, automatically. At 65, he had about $76,000. It didn't make him a millionaire, but it gave him peace. It gave him monthly income from dividends. And it gave him the confidence that he can build security, even starting later. Now meet Lisa. She's 22, fresh out of college. She starts early, investing $100 a month into an ETF. Just like Sarah, she stays consistent. By retirement, her account could be worth $400,000 or more, depending on the market. Not from guessing, not from gambling, from planting seeds early and letting time do the rest. Here's the truth most people miss. Compound interest is slow at first. It's boring, it's invisible. But just like fitness or learning a language, the results don't show up in the first week. They show up when you're consistent and when you wait. Your $50 a month may feel small now, but 10 years from now you'll look back and realize that tiny habit changed everything. So if you're asking, when should I start investing? The answer is simple. Start with what you have. Start where you are. Start now. Because every day you wait is a day you lose potential growth. And every day you invest is a vote for your future self. If this helped shift the way you think about money, hit that subscribe button. Because here on Health Wealth Investor, we don't just chase tips. We build lives with purpose, habits, and momentum. You don't need to be rich to start. You just need to start to become rich.